Welcome back to Moneyverse X. This week has been packed with massive financial shifts, gold shattering records, Bitcoin making headlines, and the US economy facing new challenges. Let's break it all down. First up, next week is a super central bank week, as the Fed, BOJ, BOE, SNB, and Riksbank all announced their rate decisions. But here's the twist. Trump's escalating trade war could pressure the Fed into cutting rates sooner than expected. With market uncertainty rising, gold has officially crossed $3,000 for the first time. The big question, will the Fed hold steady or bow down to political pressure? Meanwhile, Bitcoin is at the center of major policy discussions. Reports suggest the White House is considering expanding its Bitcoin holdings, with officials hinting at a budget-neutral approach. And it doesn't stop there. US Congressman Byron Donalds is introducing a bill to secure a Bitcoin reserve policy, aiming to prevent future administrations from reversing it. If passed, this could mark a huge shift in how the US handles digital assets. But it's not just Bitcoin making waves. Market volatility is on the rise. Bitcoin's price swings have hit their highest level since last September. The Dow Jones just recorded its largest weekly decline since 2023, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are now on a 4-week losing streak. And if that's not enough, US consumer confidence has plunged, with inflation fears growing due to Trump's aggressive tariff policies. Will these economic worries push the Fed towards a rate cut? For that, we'll just have to wait and watch. On the global front, Hong Kong is emerging as a blockchain powerhouse. A new report shows that the region's blockchain industry has grown by 250% since 2022. With over 175 blockchain companies now operating there, Hong Kong is solidifying its role as a major fintech hub in Asia. Could this be a sign of shifting global financial dominance? This week's financial news is a roller coaster. Gold at record highs, Bitcoin gaining mainstream traction, and markets bracing for central bank decisions. The next few days will be crucial for investors. Will we see a Fed pivot? Will Bitcoin's volatility settle? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. I'll see you in the next one.